a village where there are no cars, no bikes, no modern traffic, only trams. Such a place actually exists? Well, it does, in Derbyshire, England. Welcome to the Crich Tram Village. The moment you enter, something feels different. It feels like you have been teleported into the past. The cobbled roads, the old signboards, the footpaths, everything slowly pulls you into another era. And then you start noticing the trams. Not models, not replicas, real trams, restored to their original shape, color and character. And some are resting inside the Tram Depot Museum.
Hey, so we are here at Crich Tram Village in Derbyshire. And it's actually really lovely because they maintained the old village as it is, with the trams, some of them still operating that you can still use, and you can get a real feel of how life was that time in the village, but as well as using the trams as a local transport. Let's have a look how this is done. Oh, hello there. It's lovely to see you here at the train station. Where are you going? I'm waiting for the train to the central station.
Tram?
I'm waiting for the tram to the central station.
So this is Tram Depot, where you can see old trams which are not in work today. And these are for exhibition, which is you can go on board a tram which are still running, which we'll do later. And this is where it gets really interesting.
There's, as you can see, not only trams from Britain, but also some of the European countries, like this one from the royal city of Prague. It's a very beautiful tram.
Yeah, this tram here was called as Snow Broom. This was from Belgium, and since the driving sides were different from Belgium to England, this was only used to clear the British snow during the winter. So as you can see over here, you can see the broom. But they were not meant for this job. This was used as a snow broom in Britain. The snow kept jamming the engines. At the end it was out of the use. Each tram tells a story. Different cities, different decades, different designs. It's the most fascinating part of watching trams. What I like personally is the front of all the trams are different. You can imagine trams running on the street, huge vehicle with different colors, different shape. Imagine, what would it feel like if this tram passed you on a busy street today? Honestly, it would probably make your day. The very first horse-drawn tram. Yes, before electricity, before modern transport, probably this is where it all began.
There's a beautiful exhibition where you can see some more of these very old trams. This one, for example, is the oldest tram in this collection at this museum.
Standing there, you're not just looking at a tram, you're looking at the beginning of urban travel. But there's something even more immersive. Let's go have a look in the tram of the 1930s. Have a look inside. And there's a good reason why this matters. This place isn't just about looking, it's about experiencing. Walk through it, feel the space, see the details up close.
Megan admiring the cabin.
Yes, imagine driving this thing. Giving you a deeper sense of how everything evolved over time.
So what is your experience?
It's lovely. It is just like jumping back in time. Oh, so there are two entrances. One is here and one is here. But both are closed.
As a Dutchie, I was really happy to notice this train in this museum because this one comes from the Netherlands and it's here and it says Centraal Station, which is Central Station.
Happy to see your tram?
Yes.
Now here's the twist. Right now, due to electrical safety updates, the tram rides are temporarily not operational. A bit disappointing. Yes, but also a reminder how much effort goes into preserving something this old, this beautiful. But when the tram rides are fully running again, this experience becomes something completely different. And in the next part of the video, we explore exactly that. So keep watching because there's more to discover in Tram Village than you think.